Hello, my name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Minecraft Hardcore. So far, in this series, we've survived 76 days, and there are two things that I want to do in this video. The first thing that I want to do is build more bookshelves for the enchanting table, so we can get stronger enchantments. Right now, the most we can do is level 18. We want to get this up to 30. So we need more bookshelves, and the second thing that I want to do is start building an XP farm. I want to start enchanting some really powerful tools and armor at the enchanting table. Right now, it's nighttime, so let's go to sleep. Whoa. What's happening to... What was that? I'm going to get some bamboo and some string. Here I have 6 string. Here I have 2. With string and bamboo, you can craft scaffolding. Right here. Scaffolding. I made 48 scaffolding. I'll pick up some signs. Let's go outside. It's time to place the second sign on my wall. I'm gonna get my scaffolding, and I'll place some scaffolding. Whoa. What is happening with my shield? Whoa. I'm just ahead. My body is invisible. What? What's happening with my spear? I'm going to exit and for me to drink some lemonade. Did it fix it? Yes, okay. Okay, it's normal again. Let's go over to the wall. And here I'll place some scaffolding, like this. Now, we can go up the scaffolding, and I'll place another sign. Okay. There we go. Big thank you to these supporters of my channel. I'll destroy this scaffolding. And now, we have 2 signs on our supporter wall. 2 signs. Big thank you to my supporters. To build more bookshelves, we're going to need a lot of leather. So let's breed some cows using this wheat. We'll breed more cows. More baby cows. Now we need to wait for these cows to grow into adults. And while we're waiting for these cows to grow, let's start working on the XP farm. I'm going to build the XP farm in the ocean. And to build this XP farm, I'm going to be following this tutorial on my phone. First, I'm going to pick up everything that I'll need. I need some stone, some polished deep slate. I'll pick up this deep slate. And here at the stone cutter, I'll turn this cobbled deep slate into polished deep slate. Like this. There we go. Now I have a bunch of polished deep slate. What else do I need? Let's see. I need 4 signs. I have 6 signs. I need 4 hoppers. I don't think I have enough iron. I only have 5 iron. How do you make a hopper? Let's see. H-O-P-P-E-R. A hopper. So to make a hopper, you need 5 iron and 1 chest. Right now, I can only make 1 hopper. I only have 5 iron. Let's go underground and let's search for more iron. Let's go down to level 16. Here we are, level 16. This is the tunnel that leads to the lush cave. I'm going to mine this direction. Let's look for more iron. I'll place a torch. Oh, some lapis. I'll collect this lapis. Iron! Perfect. Okay, we've already found some iron. Let's keep mining this direction. Let's keep looking for iron. There's more. I already found more iron. Level 16 is a great level for iron. Whoa, a ton of iron here. Now we're up to 16 iron. I've already found enough iron. Let's go back up to the surface. Let's start smelting this iron in a furnace. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos and if you'd like to practice speaking English with me directly, you could book a call with me on Google Meet or Tencent Meetings by clicking up here. Let's keep going up. It's nighttime up there. Let's go to sleep. Sleep. Okay, and now let's put our iron in the furnace. Okay, what else will I need to build the XP farm? Let's see. I need some buckets of water. I think I have a bucket up here. Here's one bucket. Do I have another? Yes. I have 2 buckets. Let's fill these buckets with water. Water. Okay. Oh no. Jeb was trying to escape. He was trying to go out the door. Ooh, I'll need a bunch of trap doors. I'll make the trap doors out of jungle logs. All right, let's make some trap doors. I need 2 full stacks of trap doors, so I need a bunch more trap doors. Let's get more jungle logs. Well, I still don't have enough trap doors, so I need to go chop down some trees. I'll get my iron axe. Let's go find some jungle trees. Here's a tree and another tree. Here's tree number 3, tree number 4, and tree number 5. This will be the last tree that I chop down. All right, I got some more jungle logs. Let's go back home. Oh, wait. First, let's breed more cows. More cows. I'll get my wheat. Let's breed more cows. We're going to need a lot of cows. I'll turn these logs into planks. And now let's make more trapdoors. There we go. There's the trapdoors. What else do we need? Let's see. We need 2 chests. 1, 2. Okay, and now we need to make the hoppers. Let's take our iron. Oh, I need more chests. Now we can craft 4 hoppers. Hopper. Let's make 4 hoppers. And I think we have everything that we'll need to build the XP farm. Let's go start working on the XP farm. I'm going to build it in the ocean. I'll get in my boat and let's start sailing. I think I'm going to build it right here. Let's go underwater and I'll place some cobblestone right here. Let's go up. There we go. And from here, I need to go up 100 blocks. So right now I'm on level 63. I need to go up until I reach level 163. So I'll get my polished deep slate and I'll start building up 100 blocks. We just passed 100. We're getting really high. We just passed 150. We're getting really close. There we go. Level 163. And here, I need to build a platform. And I'll fill it in like this. Now I'll get my chests and I'll place them right here. And now I need to take the hoppers and I'll place the hoppers to be connected to the chest like this. There we go. Now, if I throw something into these hoppers, like this, they'll go into the chest. See? There's my wheat. I need some slabs, but I don't have any. I'll make a crafting table, and I'll place it here in the corner. Now I'll make some slabs. There we go, I made some deep slate slabs. And now I'll place these on top of the hoppers. And now I'll get more polished deep slate, and I'll place it all around. Okay, I'll place a torch here and here. Now I need some stairs. Let's craft some stairs. And I need to place some upside down stairs right here. Ah, not like this. Like this. There we go. I place some upside down stairs. From here, we need to go up 16 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, I did it. So here, I need to place my signs. I'll place the signs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right here, I need to pour some water. So I'll take one of my water buckets, and I'll pour some water right here. Okay, now I need to go up 4 more blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I need to build 7 blocks in this direction. 1, 2, and I have to make this 2 blocks wide. So I'll place blocks here. I have to crouch so I don't fall off. And I have to do this 3 more times. 1 on this side, 1 on this side, and 1 on this side. There we go. I did it. Let's look at the next step. Now I'm going to build a wall around this that's 2 blocks high. 1, 2. Oh, I ran out of polished deep slate. I need to go back underground to collect more deep slate. I'm going to get my bucket of water. And now I'm going to pour my water right here. Now I can use this water to get back up. Dive! Splash! Let's get back in the boat. And let's sail home. And let's go check on the cows. I have 19 more wheat. Let's breed more cows. More cows, more cows. And I'm going down to the bottom of the world to collect some more deep slate. Here we are at the bottom. I'm going to start mining. Let's mine this way. I almost fell in this lava. I'm going to scoop up this lava. 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 Let's mine this way. This is a really long tunnel. Redstone. Alright, let's keep mining this way. Oh, some iron. I'll place another torch. Let's continue mining. Let's see. How much cobbled deep slate have I found? 1, 2, 3 full stacks, and 1 stack that's almost full. Oh, I can't pick this up. I'll throw away some andesite. Okay, I can't pick up any more cobbled deep slate. Let's go back up to the surface. I think I have enough deep slate. Let's run down the long tunnel. Whoa! Some diamonds! I missed these diamonds. 2 diamonds. I'm not going to mine these diamonds right now. I'm going to wait until I have a fortune pickaxe. With a fortune pickaxe, I could get more diamonds from this. So I'm going to wait. And now let's go back up the staircase. All right. We've made it back to the surface. Let's go to sleep. Sleep. And it's morning. Day 80. Let's check on the cows and let's breed more cows. A spider. Die, spider. Die. Get away from my barn. No! Okay, I'll take the wheat and let's breed more cows. And using the stone cutter, let's turn this cobbled deep slate into polished deep slate. Okay, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more stacks of polished deep slate. Let's continue working on the XP farm. There's my carrot farm. It doesn't look like my carrots have grown much. Here's the waterfall. I'll get out of the boat and let's swim upward. I'm swimming up the waterfall. Almost to the top. All right, let's continue building this wall. I'll get my deep slate. And there we go. I finished the wall. Now I need more water buckets. Let's go like this. Okay. Now I'm going to jump down. Jump! I'm diving. I dove into the water. Let's get out of the water here. And right here, I'm going to pour out my lava. And now I'll get 2 buckets of water. 1, 2. Okay, now we'll go back up almost to the top. And here we are. And now I'm going to place 1 bucket of water right here. And 1 right here. Now this is an infinite source of water. I'll place water in these corners. 1, 2. This water will push the monsters down into the hole. I'll put some water on this side, some water on this side, and I'll place some water right here. There we go. This was the final side. Now I'll fill this in and I'll break it. Now I'll get my deep slate and I'll build this way. Okay. Now I need to fill in this area, like this. Now I need to do this on the 3 other sides. I'm gonna place some torches so monsters don't spawn. There we go. That's 2 sides complete. We're halfway. Okay, just 1 side left. All right, I did it. And I think I'm going to end this video right here. And I'll finish building this XP farm in my next live stream. If these videos are being helpful to you, the best way to support this channel is by making a donation or buying some of my art on my Ko-Fi page by clicking up here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.